particularly affecting young people.
Yeah, they down there just they knocking cough syrup.
Ricky!
Yeah. I'm a dog, I pull up a bitch, trying to cut off my neck on my head. Every show I'm moving with sticks.
Oh, that fair. Oh, that fair. Oh, that fair. That cough syrup, that lean, and that dirty Sprite. It's your boy, OkayRickk. Don't give it over. Gang, we not part of the doubleK. Come a part of the family, come part of the gang. Let's get lit, let's get turned, cause I only make you laugh, smile, and good vibes only. The KeepKlimbing Family. You're not part of the doubleK, man. Come a part of it, man. Bam. Hit that follow button on that page right there. I'm the CEO of KeepKlimbing. We're the doubleK brand updates, merch updates, daily motivation. It's right there, man. Go follow that. And also follow me myself, OkayRickk, if you want to request new videos and different reactions, all that kind of good stuff. Or you can just comment down below. But show love, go follow it. But hey, man, we got a subscriber requested video today, like always. You know what I'm saying? Reading through the comments. Whatever you send, DMs, comments, it's gonna get uploaded. But we got inside the Zimbabwe's Codeine cough syrup epidemic. So I guess down there in Zimbabwe, y'all be leaning and poding and doting and off that syrup, Y'all be off that syrup down there? Well, okay, well, I got a special video for y'all today. Let's get right into it. Now, I've only had syrup when I got sick. I don't drink lean, y'all. But down here, known where I'm from, in Houston, Texas, I'm from in America, we're known for pouring lean and drinking lean. We call it lean. The cough syrup, we put cough syrup in soda. Soda, yeah. Don't come out trying to drink water. Water not good for you. We only drink that sweet tea. Don't come out here drinking that. Don't come out here drinking that water. We put it in soda though. Now I think I put NyQuil, the cough syrup NyQuil, in some Mountain Dew before, and it was pretty good, not gonna lie. And then I went to sleep after that. Don't try that at home, kids. But let's get right into this video today, man. Hold on, fam, y'all just knocking cough syrup. Y'all knocking cough syrup back down in Zimbabwe. Let me find out.
So many people are drinking it. Everything here is down.
We've got a generation to lose if the government does not step up.
This one makes us feel better.
Feel better. Hey, we want to feel better. Yes, sir. Pour that lean in that cough syrup. We knock this whole bottle back. You won't feel your legs tomorrow. Shout out to the Zimbabwe, man. I love their accent now. Their accent is so cool. Like, it's just so laid back and chill. We make it feel better. Like, they act like if I had that accent, I would get all. Well, no, I have a girl. I have the love of my life. I have a wife now, guys. So ain't no more getting girls from me. I mean, I can get girls, but you know what I'm saying. Just I ain't gonna get them though. My wife, she probably watching this video right now. I love you, baby.
After we don't give a damn about them. If they
I might see her soon on the channel too. No cap, no cap.
give them 2 bags, they go big.
The cough syrup in Zimbabwe. We're going to Zimbabwe today,
The
y'all.
streets of Harare are full of brown cough syrup bottles, a sign of the addiction epidemic currently ravaging the country, particularly affecting young people.
And y'all they down there just they knocking cough syrup.
No doubt.
You can die the shit. I ain't got no mercy. I'm so ruthless. I'm a villain. Known that I'm a 2016. I started drinking.
They drink brown clear. Damn, he down there damn, y'all down there rapping too? We found out it's just like America down there. People down here drink cough syrup and make a hit song. We find out.
So per day I could take something like 4 bottles at 400 mils. I wasn't myself. I was someone else or something else.
Damn, you knocking back 4 bottles a day, fool? 4 bottles of cough syrup a day, my guy?
The cough syrup, often of the brand Clear, contains codeine, an opiate that can be used as a painkiller.
Painkiller, yeah, right.
It's relatively harmless in small doses, but can be highly addictive. Clear also contains alcohol, so when you drink a lot of it, it will make you feel both drunk and
high, yeah, facts. You been out like, yeah, whoa there, buddy. I can't feel my big toes.
In large quantities, it can lead to respiratory problems, dangerously low blood pressure, and permanent damage to the brain, heart, and liver.
Like I did it because of my friends. Well, like if you
this nigga did it because of peer pressure.
Yes, I won't play with you. When you start doing it, afterwards you think it's a better way of life. My mother is a widow. Then she doesn't go to work. So some of the times when we get piece jobs, you have to go and get some money and bring it home to buy some food.
Yeah.
This is my house. I stay here with my 5 children. My mother of 5.
Mother of 5.
With my son, unfortunately, we didn't pick it up because he was in boarding school. My son, he's the quiet type. We couldn't really notice a change in him until last year. You know, you would come home, you would be on that couch, he's holding a plate in his hand, and you're speaking to him and he's not responding.
Hey, you going to get us some chicken? He and that whole like, son. Nigga off that serve. It makes us feel better. Yes, sir. Hey, I love the accent. I'm not making fun of the accent. I love their accent. Now, come on my channel to even dislike thinking I'm making fun of the accent because I'm mocking them or how they sound. No, the accent is actually very unique.
Things, my laptop, cell phones, even food. He even went to that extent. One time he even ran away from home. He was now staying in the streets doing these drug things.
The economy
nigga was stealing from his mama. Golly.
90% of the population is without formal employment, and families are plagued with poverty and addiction. Back in the 1980s, Zimbabwe was prospering, but former dictator Robert Mugabe ran the country into the ground. He was ousted in November 2017, and in July 2018, the country held its first democratic election. It was addicted to Clear.
Clear.
Today, he's trying to help his friends, who are all stuck in a vicious cycle of cough syrup dependency.
This is some of my ghetto youths. They don't go to work. As you can see that's what they take. That's Clear.
They drink Clear down there, golly.
It's Clear. Everyone is selling, even on the shops there's a lot of people who are selling these things.
Phaeton takes us to the local marketplace to show us how cough syrup is being sold and used on the street.
Yeah, left. For the sake of these guys, maybe they don't want their place to be out. So we'll get into the bar, there's someone who just come and drink, then you can see.
Soon, we're surrounded by young guys drinking Clear.
So they went to the area where them niggas really just knocking them bitches back. Watch them knock it back.
That's how
we do it like this each and every day.
The guys are already high. When you drink a lot of cough syrup every day, it can cause your teeth to rot and fall out. So to protect their teeth, they pour the liquid directly into their throats.
How long
long does it take until you feel
something like 20 minutes? It's for half a day, then you need another edition. The main reason which makes us do these drugs, guys, is unemployment. You don't have things to do. You don't get...
Yeah, they don't got nothing to do. Ain't no jobs around. Ain't nobody playing no... Ain't nobody shooting no hoops. Ain't nobody, you know what I'm saying, out there making no shoes, no clothes. You know what I'm saying? It's just, they just walk around in the mud, drinking cough syrup all day. Nothing to do. Knocking back cough syrup. Nothing to do. Knocking back. These niggas is knocking back cough syrup. Nothing to do. Hey, y'all, we're gonna do this. Let's knock back this cough syrup.
To get worried about a lot of things. I've been seated at home like 2 years now.
This one,
unemployment. You find out y'all not getting them unemployment checks down there? Y'all not getting them stimulus? You're not getting them stimulus down there.
Stress. Don't think too much when you think this. Every day, I take one bottle.
I take one, but I feel high.
And I don't drink anything. In a day, we say about $100 to $150. We make a profit of about $100, just one box. We have got some buyers outside South Africa, so we contact each other. We send them some money, and they bring the drugs by the bus.
Adcock Ingram, the South African company behind Bronx,
they come by in the bus and drop it out.
The alleged misuse of their cough syrup with codeine, and that since the product is not registered in Zimbabwe, it's illegal to export it there. They acknowledged that smuggling medicine across borders is common and told us they have internal processes in place to flag unusually high or suspicious orders. We want to understand what's being done to help young addicts, so we head to downtown Harare to meet up with Hilton Nyamukapa. He works for one of the few NGOs in Zimbabwe actively working to help addicts.
There are quite a number of reasons. One reason is idleness. Some of them cannot afford to go to colleges. So it's a way of coping with the stress associated with idleness.
It's hard to pinpoint the exact amount of young Zimbabweans who are addicted to Bronclear and other narcotics. The government states that no official studies have been conducted to quantify the scope of the issue. That's why various interest groups have made their own assessments. And even though the results vary a lot, one thing is certain. The number of young people living on the streets as drug users is alarmingly high.
With the information we are getting from various sources, we can say probably more than 50% of the youths in Zimbabwe are actually taking drugs.
And once you're hooked, it's hard to get help.
They back there knocking them back.
Rehabilitation options in Zimbabwe are privately run and unaffordable for most users. Hilton tells us how the government handles it.
If you use drugs, you are a criminal, you should be sent to jail. So as an organization, we are saying the legal system should actually have some kind of rehabilitation or treatment.
We want to ask the authorities about the lack of state-run drug rehabilitation clinics. So we drive to the Ministry of Health.
The treatment for drug dependence is only available in psychiatric institutions. By keeping them in the hospital and then giving them some like maybe diazepam to make sure that they don't take the drugs. So eventually they forget to take drugs.
Hilton Nyamukapa does not think that jail sentences and psychiatric treatment works. The NGO is pushing for the government to run rehabilitation clinics where people can receive proper result-oriented treatment.
And the problem of actually putting those people in mental institutions is that kind of treatment is actually detoxifying them. It's not actual treatment because you are detoxified today and tomorrow you're also craving for drugs. So that is not the proper treatment. We want a proper treatment where actually there is gradual treatment until the person recovers.
Zimbabweans pretend to be conservative and they don't want to openly talk about these things. So going forward, we've got a generation to lose if the government does not step up and Zimbabweans themselves don't step up to try and find a solution to dealing with this drug problem that is bedeviling our nation.
My way forward to leave all that was to dump all my bad friends, close myself in my bedroom. Like when I started being serious in my music, I had no time for drugs and something like that.
He finna create that hit. Let me find out my man right here got a hit. Y'all, if he got a hit, y'all send it to me.
So that's what made me lose my interest in drugs. I have 4 siblings, and like all of them, they're looking up to me. My hope for the future is to be someone better, like a source of inspiration to the youth.
Kuziwakashe found a purpose in making music and hence a way out. But thousands of young Zimbabweans are still in the claws of addiction. But to treat the root cause of Zimbabwe's cough syrup abuse, the lack of opportunities for the country's youth, it will take real political change that offers them future prospects.
Since we filmed the documentary, the Zimbabwe recovery intends to open clinics. Hey man, y'all down there. Hey man, drinking that syrup. Good old syrup, man. That good old syrup. That good old cough syrup. But man, that's crazy. I didn't know it was really like that down there in Zimbabwe. Y'all really, I thought Zimbabwe didn't have no drugs down there. No kind of get high drugs and nothing down there. I didn't know it was like that in Zimbabwe. They walk on the streets knocking back cough syrup. But hey man, hope everything is just, you know, everything gets better. You know what I'm saying? If you watching this, man, and you drink cough syrup, hey, Rick promotes you to put that cough syrup down. Yes, you put that cough syrup down. You ain't coughing. Yeah. You ain't coughing. You ain't sick. Put that cough syrup down. And leave a like on this video. Let me know if the React 2 Nation favorite American is back, man. We just checking out things across the world. We just having a good time over here. That's what we do. But new setup coming soon, so everything gonna look different pretty soon, y'all. Be sure to go follow KeepKlimbing. Damn, I'm gonna spit all on the floor. Be sure to follow KeepKlimbing. The brand, merch updates, daily motivational posts. Go follow the Instagram and also the YouTube. It's all down below, and it should pop up right here. But leave a like, join the family, join the gang, and then I'll catch y'all in the next. Wait. You know what I'm gonna say? Remember, block out negative people, negative energy, negative vibes, and always stay positive. And hey, we all got a mountain to climb. Keep climbing.